Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to recap my comments made last week about USO trending up, which it did on Wednesday, August the 5th. And I said that Palantir's stock price was going to jump on earnings, which it did. And I also said that AMD's stock price was going to drop on earnings, which it did as well. And I also said the bounce on QQQ was going to continue, which it did, and also expect it to continue into next week because I haven't seen a sell signal on the day chart for QQQ on the MarketWatch software that I have developed, nor have I seen a buy signal on the day chart for SQQQ yet. However, for those who have played this bounce, I would urge you to take profit at this point because I'm seeing a historical bottom on the 1 hour chart for SQQ as well as an institutional buy. And looking at the 1 hour chart for QQ overhead resistance, I'm looking at 724.94. And for the bounce on QQ in the following days, I expect the software companies to play a larger part, and I would pay particular attention to Oracle, which have seen a downward trend since the beginning of June. And at this point, there is a strong buy signal on its week chart. So all of this being said, I'm still keeping my bearish outlook on the overall market because an additional factor just emerged as the US government was dumping the euro to buy yen at the end of July. And looking at the overall picture for the Japanese yen, the US government's actions, I would argue, is playing a very small part because the Japanese government have been urging their citizens and pension funds to pull their funds from foreign markets back into their domestic market. And since the Japanese is the largest US debt holder, their initiative at this point could add an additional factor on top of the US oil issues from the Middle East conflict. And looking at the chart for the Japanese yen index on the US market, I'm still not seeing a sell signal yet. So the Japanese yen could still trend up from here, and this could just be a start. And looking at the historical market downturns, the Japanese yen has trended up in every US market crash. So I would not ignore this, and I'll keep you posted in the coming weeks and months. And I'll see you very soon.